Now PA. So today we don't get quick job. We'll just quickly make cleaning logo. Now want do for here sharp. So now what you want do, you go look something like what you dey see so, but no be what you want do nine be that what you see for there. So where we don't use this start. So what you want do today, want do dry cleaning logo. Okay, most say dry cleaning shop give you work, may you do, me take do dry cleaning logo. I want to do, I want to make be. So there get many ways where if you take do. If you use normal text, they write the logo, which will be text logo. If you use a normal, or if you do mascot logo, you understand? Now what you want do now? I want to teach now how to do logo where we say it go make sense. Where the person look am, person go get the message. What I want to sharp, man, come over here, man, write this text side now. The man tap this text where they put for here. Don't forget, you tap the text. Man, still go back. Me see what they do. See the side now, tap the text. See the text side don't change. Man, click delete. Now I'm gonna create the logo. Now I'm gonna start creating the logo now proper. This logo they create for the client for dry cleaning services, and the name of the services, if you choose any name, if now person now this one person won't create for a name start from Emu. So because of that, one can brainstorm now, more can think. So more write the Emu now. More can write the Emu. Now today design. Now you get time to think. You understand? They think I want me this Emu to be. See the name start from Emu now. The name I want to use now. Me will call it think now. Waiting I want use add to this Emu they can make sense. So I just increase the size so we see the Emu where. Man put that for this size ahead. Man push the Emu con center quick. I don't put that for center. Okay. Now what we want to do now is say first thing first. More we change this Emu. More we change the handwriting for this Emu. So we don't tap the Emu. We won't go the handwriting side so where they come front side. We'll click on for you. Now, more we change the Emu sharp. Now, what I want to use, you see for here, say all these handwriting where there, so they're inside your phone. Just find them. You just feel they go. You'll find the one where you want to use where it say go make sense for them. So me now I want to use this one where they call Vigo for here. So now I can click on now. So you see now, you see my Emu for here. So when you just see the Emu, we might just quickly give this Emu color. So I don't do over this side now. I beg they watch this tab. I beg so you know where I did. So I go this side now quick. I give the Emu color. So better to see the Emu wear now. Good. Now what you want to do now be say because of these people, what this company they do, they wash clothes. Because they wash clothes, we can spice them up now. You understand? Because they wash clothes, we can spice them up. If we add anger to this Emu, but I want to add the anger. If we add tie, if we add clothes, what I mean, man, show you. So we'll click this plus icon if you want to bring in images. So man, click from gallery, man, bring in some images. Now man, add to this Emu. We'll see I want to be. So me now, I want to go where they keep my picture. Man, find one. Wow, if you use. So man, come off where man go where they put my pictures. So man, go down. Man carry some pictures now. Man check how I want to use the picture. So I get some pictures now of Tab already download now because I already check say Tab go to go make sense to add to these people because they wash clothes and Tab still make sense more they add join. So if you take another one, so now the time I want to use be this. If you don't like the conflict good, so now the type be this one now. Now what you want to do now, quick be say this Emu now most to make them big small first. More on this test size. More big the Emu. More leave them for 150 don't do okay. And this time more one bar more reduce am. My position come out. I bet they watch this tab, they watch this dot, I beg. So you know where I did. So more reduce the size now for the tie. The two top, more reduce the height. Reduce the height, still too tall, more still reduce the height. If we increase the width. Now more position this two, more position, more put that for center first. Okay, more call use our normal position to position them. More just a center. Now what I want to do, let it get on shaping. What I want to do, let it get on shaping. So see and now what I want to do now in be this, but the Emu still did too small. So most to make the Emu big small. Okay. Now I go back to my tie. I position the tie where. So until like this now we want to do. But now two want to make sure say this our tie, so our tie we need to do up here, and we know still want make some things show. You understand? And I want make my tie dey up here. Now two want do quick be say I want cover some parts. Maybe say now let my tie dey show. More cover some part. Man, bring my tie come down small. Now man cover some part quick. Now I want the sweater they do clearly. So man zoom this. You press this zoom where they up here. More zoom I mean big small. So fix what they do. You see, so it could be like say they blur for here. But we go fix on later. So man come out and first. Okay, then put am back to 100. Now wetin we wan do next na make I carry my shape. We'll go my shape side, no tap anything, we'll go this shape side. We'll click, we'll go hit shape for here sharp sharp. Now we wan reduce the shape. We wan make the shape make e just small. Normal shape, just carry any shape, just make am make e small. Make e small like this. Just find shape wey small. Make e no too small, but make e small. Now wetin we wan do, more find wetin position this shape, make it cover the tie. So you dey get wetin I dey do so. We'll find the position the shape, make cover the tie. Now I wan do so. Okay, something like this now. You see, I say shape don cover the tie, but you no too cover am. Multi shift and go up. Okay, now something like this now. So why we dey do this one? Wetin we wan do now? Come and tap the shape. Why we dey do this one now? Wetin we wan do? Wetin we wan do for here now? Now we go know soon now wetin we wan do for here. Now wetin we wan do? Now make we merge something now. We wan merge this thing, this shape wey we don do so. We wan merge am to the emu. Why? We go soon know why now. Make we merge am. So you don see am now. You go come here, click wetin you wan merge. Then you go hit this thing wey you take merge am. Now we don merge the two together now. Wetin we wan do now be say, make we come this side. Now if you merge am now, this emu now go come turn to image. Mean say na here you go come for the change am. This place I no come dey work for the emu again. Come be change to this side. Now here more change am for yourself. Now make we come go where we fit take comot the background. You see where they say dey erase color. We'll on am first. You see, I say don't comot the white for us. If you not see the white again, we fit increase the tolerance. Mean say you no see the white at all again. See, so we go see and say the white now by himself, he go just carry comot. Now, what we want do now? We want make sure say the one where dey back that tie, go tap this tie where dey here. So if you tap it, me go tap the tie. We'll bring the tie come front. So they get two ways to bring am come front. If you use this one, bring am come front, or if you from here, just push am come front. You go fit hold am for here, push am go where you want me go. So you see now e don dey front. Should be you observe. You see how it mature. Now make the tie dey middle. You understand? Make the tie dey middle. Now move go. We'll put the tie for middle small. I'll make sure say it dey middle. So you observe so. You see now something like this now I want. So we don write the emu now. Now what you want to do next for you now, it is very simple. Now what you want to do when you reach this stage, to reach this stage it is very hard. So what you go to do now when you reach this kind of stage, you go first save and first as project. So you come up here, you go save this thing as project. Why? Maybe say you feel come this place again, call they revisit this thing. Maybe be only once if you come here. So I just save and now as project. You see, I just save our project so that even if you make mistake, you still come back to this place, come back to am anytime. So we just save the emu now. What we want to do now, we will join the tie together. So I don't come this my place where they call layer place. I want to join these two tie together. Now I don't join two tie together. Now coffee move this tie now go anywhere I want. The tie and the emu now it don't be one. Now we'll start the main reason why we come here can do something. Now we don't do the emu and the hardest part be this one. So now if we want to write the man name, if you write them anywhere we want to write them now. Now move for down now, can't do something like this. So now we'll go edit. Now if we write a full name like this, if we want. You see, so now more sure this one still the center. More bring and come down. More use position to bring and come down again. Now what you want to do now? More change the handwriting of this one. We'll go the handwriting side. Now if you choose any handwriting where you want to use, but the handwriting we'll use before, most use are now for this one. So you see, so now the handwriting now be this now. Now what you want to do? I want quickly change the size of it I do so you will see it clearly. So I want go image size. Now for here I will choose the top name. Good. So if you see what I see where, so I position this one again now for center where for now. So mostly position this one also for center. I carry the text come center. I push her come down. So you see, so if you just write am like this, as simple as this, you put am like this, Mr. Tom. Or if you wan go ahead, wan go ahead, e dey okay if you wan still go ahead now. Wetin I mean by that? Now, make we go this our test site, make we click edit. Now wetin we wan do now, we fit wan write arrow, and make we write arrow for here jeje. That is, e get wey we wan do am, if we wan do am like this o. Now make we increase the size for this one. Okay, now make we go change the handwriting sharp sharp. Okay, now be this. Now we wan put this one. Now, make I put this one quick. Move across this side. You see, so you see they too small. Now, mostly find where to position them. Still too small. Okay, now we'll come find where arrange them way. Okay. So you see, so if you still write the mister like this, or if you know the one like this, if you still make it this small. If you make this small, you can fit position am for down here. Wetin I try talk be say, now you just if you know how you want to do am. You no get one definite way you want to do am. Now you just if you understand, say okay, see I want to do this particular one for this person. If it go make sense or not. You understand? So na im be that. So this one I don do, and I don write am Mr. Tom. Now you fit still play around. You can add wetin you wan add put for the logo, but this one na simple logo now. E just be like this, so simple logo. So don't put the Mr. Tom now for here. Now this one wey dey down now, we wan spice am up now. More spice all these things up now. More spice am make e make sense. So firstly, we wan for start the spicing now. More start the spicing for this our main image. More spice for this our main image. More come this place now. This our image side now. We wan come to show. Now we come to our image side now. More go over to texture. More click the texture. More give that one texture. So I go my photos, go create some texture. So by now you already know what texture mean, as in one chook another image for inside one image. You want put one for one. You want put an inside one. So you can be like say the image what we carry they inside the text one add and put. So we just find anything for you what we go. So I go to my memory card, I go find. So we get many different things where we fit use. Understand? We fit use them. All these many things as texture. So I fit go now. Say I go with this one. I did this place. That one are good. If you want all these images, no wahala. In many, you fit carry the entire. So you see this one so you see you see I will call look because na texture. Now if you observe, say that neck of tie e no show. You see so the neck of tie no show, e don comot. Now because say na us want am make e no show. If you no want make e show, you fit get one fit take do am. Now Momo go this our test wey dey down to. This our test wey dey up. We'll come back to am. Momo go this test wey dey down. The test wey dey down now, mo find texture give am. So mo will find texture give this one. So mo choose this texture now for am. Okay, now we'll make sure say we enable this maintain ratio. Okay, now what we want to do again, what we fit still do again now for here be say we fit still give both of them. We'll go this stroke side, we'll give both of them. So make they come out where. So if we still come this image side to still do the same thing too for the image. So make sure say it dey black. So you see fit still add am anywhere depend on where you want am. If you no want am for here, you fit still comot am. Now na im just be dis now. Na wetin we wan do next, make we change our background. Na background we fit change am to anything wey we want. We fit use colour take change our background. We put any colour. We fit use anything wey you want for the background side. You understand? Depend on the one wey you say e wan make sense pass. But no forget say you fit still make am transparent, mean say e may no get background at all, because many people dey really dey like dis one. They really dey like dis one for their business, so they fit use am well well. So e no get background at all. But wetin we wan do now, I wan bring background come from inside my own images. So if you click that from gallery, you fit bring background come for inside your own images. So now what we wan do now, we go go our image side, other nice background come. So all these background now, they already dey popular. If you wan use them, no wahala, you fit still carry use them how you want, and you fit use them how you like. So we fit choose any background wey we want now from all these many background wey dey already dey here. So we fit go with this background wey dey here so. So you see am so. So the thing just dey simple like this so. And many people these days now dey like very simple logo. But anybody wey look am wey understand am see am say the Mr, the emu wey dey there so, na tie e be. So that one so e fit just be logo on your own, even without this Mr. Tom. This Mr. Tom wey dey now, man say if e no dey here at all, this emu on your so dey already dey on your own as nice logo. You understand? E already dey on your own as nice logo, so e go still make sense like that. But we still on that one, make that one join now. So we wan make sure we position this one for center. Make sure say the text dey center, because we wan do the last final design. So make sure say e dey center. You see am so. So make sure say e dey center. E don dey center like this now. Now make we merge two of them together. Because time don go, make we merge them. Now why we merge them? You already know why. Now make we come this side. This 3D shape, make turn to 3D logo. Good. You reduce the depth if you no need depth. You put am for 4. Then we'll make sure say the thing we darken am. See am so. Just dey observe how the thing dey change. Oh, sorry, I make mistake. So you see am so. Now we'll go back to our 3D shape. We'll put our depth for 4. We'll make sure say we darken am. So we still come out for here now if we don't need anything from here again. And what we want go next now, this emboss. More on the emboss. We'll make sure say we increase the intensity, we'll increase the light, we'll also increase the hardness. This bevel now will reduce very well. We'll put it for 6 or 5, depending on what we want. You can see how it be so. So now we'll go to relative size. Now we'll make sure say our width big well well. We'll position am for center. We'll make sure say it is center well. So you see am so. So it don't do like that easily now, like that. So we don't almost finish for here. But that's what I want to do now. I want to put our name, so person no fit go thief what we don't do. We'll put the name of people we don't do am. So we just put name here. If you want put name, make sure say the name dey very small, make not too big, so you know distract people. So we'll reduce the size where make sure say it dey small. Okay, we'll put that for down. We'll make sure say it dey down. Okay, that dey nice. Okay, like that. So for there, we'll increase the size small. So we'll push and come outside small. So now job be this. So what we want to do next now, we'll save our design, what we'll do. So we already save our project. So coffee save them as image. So you don't know how to see, you don't know how to save as image. So you just make sure see your dimensions, this ultra quality, then you will hit this save to gallery. And when you click this save to gallery, it will save as image. You need to just wait for some time. After it don't finish the render, the thing will start to the save as image. So now be this. So what you I want to still remember again now for inside this video be say, remember that time we save them as project. If you can't work which where you know like, you no come like the lis ten again because you say the design wey dey do so no make sense again. You fit come go back to that project wey you dey do before. You go back to the project, then from there carry your work take continue am. Na wetin I mean. Na my explain wetin I mean now. Na wetin I talk. So man say I no want this thing again now. I fit come back to this side. You see this side I put am so. You click this project. So you see this project wey you don first save before tey. Last time you save, you fit click am and you fit come here now, come play with this one now. You see am, so you fit come here, come play with this one, come say, oh, see as I want am, in case you no like that former one. But now we don finish with wetin we dey do. We don finish with our this thing. So man go back to the one where we did before. So I'll see you again for the next video. If you know say the video makes sense and you want to see more, say this thing what we dey make clear, just make sure say you tell us. No wahala. We'll see you now for the next video.